Welcome back, E-Crew. On today's quick vlog, I want to speak about the ONYX CTY. So I saw the pre-order release. It was I think $3,700, $3,800 for pre-order, but also it's going to be released this summer. So that's probably about, in 3 more months. It's pretty much summer. It's already May. By the way, we're on an LA PEV ride in Pomona Walnut area. I'm strongly considering the ONYX CTY version. The thing with it all is, how can you pre-order a bike without the full specs, without knowing the full specs? The main things that I want to know, which are the important things on an e-bike, on any investment that you have, is the range and the top speed, right? And also for me, I don't know if you know, I care about the weight of that bike. And those are things that they don't really have. They have the ranges up there, 45. Oh, it's popping. His gears are popping. I've heard that before. His mid-drive gears are popping. This is a nice scenery, by the way. Yeah, I'd like to know the weight of the bike, because if that's something I'm willing to transport around. I don't like the looks that it's stepped through, but it's going to be real good for Crystal, because honestly, she likes the ONYX more than I do. But it's going to be good for her, for general use of people. That's going to be a good thing. It's obviously not going to be as fast as the RCR, their flagship model, but it looks like from the video, it looks like it's 40 to, I'm going to guess 35 miles per hour to 40 miles per hour is their speed. I'm not sure exactly. You know what? I'm going to catch up with a group ride, and I'm just going to try to text Eddie where everyone went, because I'm going to get lost myself. Let me just catch up a little bit. Yeah, we're lost. Anyhow, going back to the ONYX CTY. It looks like a female version, to be honest. I'm not entirely sure it will actually invest in it, because I don't have a use for it. I work at home. I have a really good situation working at home. And Crystal, as much as she would like to drive a motorbike, electric motorbike, to her work, she works about 15 miles one way, and driving a car is just a lot more faster than it would be using an ONYX. This ride is just everyone going fast, full speed the whole time. From the pictures, from the speed, from the video, that looks like a 3,000 watt-ish motor. And I think they only paired it with a 60 volt battery, so my guess is 30 to 40 miles per hour top speed. But if you know more, please comment below, because it'll help a lot of people, for sure. Green light. Also comment below if you know how much weight that thing is going to be. I mean, it can't be heavier than the ONYX RCR model, right? It's supposed to be the lower version, the more affordable version of the ONYX RCR. Supposedly. I just like the pre-order time is within 3 months. I mean, I've always been a fan of ONYX, and maybe it's just the right bike for us. Maybe, I don't know, but again, maybe it's not. I'm not really a pavement rider. I rarely do this. I don't find it safe, in my opinion. Whew. Had to jump that one. Yeah, but let me know what you guys think about the ONYX. Is it a good investment? Is it a bust? Or is it worthy of buying in the collection? For the price tag of the ONYX City 2, you know, I think, I mean, I might as well consider a surron again altogether. You know, surrons are heck of fun. Like, more all-terrain than obviously than an ONYX would look like. But then again, an ONYX has pedals. That kind of, you know, makes it a little bit more legal. They even advertise it themselves. I forgot the wording that they have, but part middle finger to the world, or something like that. Because it definitely blurs all kinds of regulations. It has pedals to kind of make it look like a bike, but it's definitely not. It's definitely an electric motorbike, but I do very much like how low it is to the ground, and even for the weight distribution, I really like that it's kind of on the down tube to where I think it has a better weight distribution than the ONYX RCR models. So that's a bonus. You know, your cornering and your tilting you have a lot more control in that aspect. I mean, I like the ONYX RCR aesthetically, look more. I like that more, but when it comes to handling, I have a feeling that the ONYX City 2, or even probably just the ONYX City 1, has a better handling. But definitely something to consider. Comment below what you guys think. But that video ad that they have up, it looks like 35 miles, sometimes even probably 40 miles per hour, I'm sure. Maybe even 45 miles per hour, top speed. Well, that's going to be my quick vlog, my riff about the ONYX City 2. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are pre-ordering it. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on a Super73 arielrider or a DIY bafang kit. Thank you for tuning in. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.